Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Motorcycle Rewind. And today we're back with our CM91, mainly this front cowl piece, headlight assembly, that these things are always busted right in here. We're gonna fix this one today. So like I said before, these guys all snap off right here. There was just a little nut that went in there and you tighten it down and then it would just snap off. So we're going to do a combination of a little plastic welding to get this secure. We're going to do a couple of staples across the top. And I've already went ahead and jammed a nut in here, and I've got a long screw. We'll screw that through and then we'll just secure it with an acorn nut. We'll probably fill that with some, once we get it set, we'll probably fill it with JB Weld and make sure it's nice and solid. We don't ever have to worry about it coming apart. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is see if we can get this crack right here. See if I can get that to be one piece. Again, I'm going to use some tape and run a ring around it with some tape and see if it'll hold it while I weld it. Let's go here. Looking to push that together right there. There we go. There, that's pretty good. Right in there, that's what we want to do. Now I'm going to take this plastic welder and just kind of melt the plastic back together. Just get it to fuse before I use the other thing. We're going to add some material to it. Oh, let's tighten this guy up. Be careful, this guy's going to be lava hot. There we go. Okay. Let's try again. Just see if we can stick that guy in there where it was cracked. See if we'll add some, like I said, we'll add some material to it, but I'm just trying to get it to stick together right now. Now let's just add some material right there. Just checking the back end of my light where it goes through, just to make sure I can add some material right here and it not get in the way of the headlight. So let's get it right here. These plastic welder kits, yeah, this one came from Harbor Freight, and it's like 20 bucks. We're going to do staples on it in just a minute too. So there we go. And just hold it on until it melts, and it'll just fuse into that. Get the end of that off. There. And now we can start adding that. Okay, before I go any further, I just want to test fit my headlight again. Just going right here. Make sure it fits over my stud right there. Yeah, we're just going to have to make sure. We just have to smooth out a little bit right in here. Let's try that. Try again. Yeah. Let's get my acorn nut right here. I just want to make sure this is in the right spot. And it tightens down. There we go. Make sure it tightens down. I want to hold it right there because I want to see if I can put a staple across the back while that's in right there. So let's try that. So using the Katerk plastic welder, you see it's got this staple right here across the top. It comes with all these different staples, and stay to the end because we'll be giving this one away. Not that one, but we've got one that's not opened. The great thing, this thing's wireless, so I'm just going to hold it and then just press it in to the plastic till it melts in. Let it sit and then pull it out just like that. I wanted to melt it all the way in into the plastic so I'd hold my stud, my makeshift stud in place. Yeah, we'll snip off these ends, but now I can, yeah, I'm going to snip off these in. I'm going to pull off this guy, my headlight, and then check it out. Then you just trim off the little tails, safety glasses, put your eye out there. I'm going to do one more right here just to hold that. Then we're going to do some plastic welding up around here to hold this thing in place, but I want to make sure that it doesn't pull out, so that's why I'm putting a couple of them in right there. Let's get one more. So the really cool thing is you hold it down, it'll turn green. See, that guy will start smoking right here. You can see it'll turn red hot. See, like that? You can just go and stick it right on and let it cool and then pull it out. So that should hold that together a little bit better. We'll snip it off. We'll let it cool pretty good before. Okay, now we're going to do a little plastic welding right down here. I'm just going to melt some of this right on to where my makeshift stud is coming out, where that screw is. And then we'll shape it around to what we're missing. Come on. I wanted to put those staples in across the top first because it'll hold it in place. I'm not going to be able to push it. I'll show you what we got going on here. Just going to keep getting pieces off. I'm trying to jam it into the holes that we have. Just kind of shaping it best we can. Once we get enough of this plastic melted, we'll be able to do a little bit better job of shaping it. But let me keep at this and I'll get with you guys in just a moment. Okay, so we have this pretty well shaped. I'm going to put one more of these staples right here. So let's let it start glowing on me. And then we're going to go right here across just to add a little bit more strength to that guy right across there. And we'll let that cool. That should be pretty good. I wonder if I should pull it down. No, I think we're pretty good. This thing is pretty solid. Let this guy cool a little bit more. Yeah, that's not too bad. We came through a little bit right there with this guy, which I'm okay with because it's going to hold it. It's going to keep it there. So let's see if we can trim this off. Again, watch your eyes. Safety glasses. This will definitely put your eye out. All right, let's try it out. So here it is, all back on. This guy goes on pretty good, pretty easy. This thing should hold up. Should be a little stronger than what it was. I mean, I can let it cool a little bit. Maybe I'll sand it, maybe I won't. You'll never see it for what we're dealing with. Maybe I'll smooth it a little bit more right here. Yeah, sometimes you just You can do this all day long and never be done. Okay, we'll call it quits. There, let's smooth that out a little bit more. Same thing on both sides. It's a little bit better, but now it'll hold up. It should make it another 60 years. Let's go ahead and put it back on the bike. It's, I thought the camera was running, but it wasn't. It's not that difficult to get on. You just have to feed it underneath and then just slide it forward, and you're good to go. You got a couple of bolts up here and a screw right here. Let me go ahead and put this guy in right here. And this screw goes in right here. I think it does. Come on, where is it?
That's what she said!
There it is. There it is, just like that. And then a little M6 nut right up here. And then we'll hook up the headlight. We'll lock down the speedo. There we go. Everything's plugged in. And then now to secure your headlight, the speedo up top, you got to have a little spring clip right here. And let me move this guy out of the way so you can see what we're dealing with. Come on. So you get this guy out of the way. See, it's right here. It's right here, and there's a little, I don't know what you want to call it, a catch or something like that, that it goes up on top of. So you just get it, and let me see if I can do this. And then just try to keep my hands out of the way. There you go, just like that. And then now we're in. Now we just have to put our headlight on. And we still, oh, let me put this guy back up. We still don't, we need a bulb, so I haven't gotten the bulb yet. So we'll put it all back together, but until we get a bulb, we'll be good to go. There we go, got that guy in. And then we can we'll just leave it out. I'm about to take it out anyway. You have a little clip right here, goes up and over our stud. Now I won't have to hold it on next time I take this sucker for a ride. There we are, all finished. I know it's hard to see this, just black, but we're back on, and didn't cost us any money. We used stuff we already had. And a little ingenuity to fix this down here, but you can't see our repairs. And yeah, if you look close, you can probably see them. And if somebody's looking that close, I'm okay with whatever they say because it doesn't matter to me. And I still could spend the whatever amount of money it is to buy a new one of these, but I didn't feel like it. I didn't feel like it. Looks pretty good. Okay. Let's just review our Katerk plastic welder, plastic welding machine, cordless plastic welding machine. Pretty awesome. Just smash the power button, slap one in there, click it till it turns green, and you're ready to go. Pretty awesome. I love the fact that it's cordless, and it works way better than I thought it was going to work. It comes with all of the staples, 4 different type staples, a razor, and little snips. So let's see who wins. And if you don't win and you're interested in one of these, the link is in the description below. But thanks to the fine folks at Katerk for allowing us to give one of these away. Get DIY done with ease. Okay, so this is the video that it was in. I won it, and this is a random generator, a random picker. So let's see who wins. Click in pick a winner. Drum roll, please. And the winner is... That's not going to tell us. Oh, there we go. Northwoods West. So Northwoods West. Send me an email to motorcyclerewind@gmail.com and I'll get this guy sent out to you really quick. And it won't be this one because this one's been used. It'll be the one that's not been used. I'll get it sent right out to you. And like I said before, if you didn't win, you can click on the link below and you can check them out. So guys, I want to thank you for watching yet another episode of Motorcycle Rewind. And do me a favor, like, tag, share, and follow us on Instagram at Motorcycle Rewind. And go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Thanks again, guys, and have a great day.
Pulled up to the shop, dust hanging in the air. Little Honda sitting there like it needed some care. CM91, yes, as rare as they come, with a student kid badge and a story half done. Headlight busted, cracked like a fall. Pieces on the bench, barely holding that all. You can't just go to one, ain't that kind of part. So we're fixing what we got, yeah, we're fixing it by heart. Old plastic tight and thin, but I ain't giving up on it again. We're gonna save that life, bring it back to life. Little sparks in the dark in the garage at night. Ain't about perfect, it's about trying. Keep these old wheels rolling, keep the past from dying. Yeah, we're welding up the cracks, make it strong and tight. Just a man, a machine, and a broken light. Cordless welder buzzing, stitching up the seams, melting down the years and the broken dreams. Every little staple, every line we trace, keeping this old Honda in the human race. You can see the scars, yeah, they tell the tale of the miles it's seen and the times it failed. But we ain't hiding nothing, we ain't painting lies, just bringing back a piece of time. Might not shine like it did back then, but it'll ride again, yeah, it'll ride again. We're gonna save that light, bring it back to life. Little sparks in the dark in the garage at night. Ain't about perfect, it's about trying. Keep these old wheels rolling, keep the past from dying. Yeah, we're welding up the cracks, make it strong and tight. Just a man, a machine, and a broken light. Woo! Hey! You can chase a part you'll never find, or leave it sitting frozen in time. But there's something in bringing it back your way, even if it ain't factory. Right now, high time feel. It don't have to be new, just has to be true. Lift it up and we're gonna save that light. Let it shine again. Let it shine again. Down the back road, ride like it used to back when. Every crack's a memory, every fix a fight. Keeping on this money through the night. Yeah, we're well